Good morning. All right, so you ever have that dream where the monstrous fish explodes out of the water and just destroys your bait, and you go to set the hook and you don't, and you miss, and the fish gets away? Well, that wasn't a dream. That was my second cast this morning before Gene was even in the water. I thought I was stuck on some grass because I kind of half-heartedly casted my chatterbait out just to kind of get some line, you know, get the bearings. You don't ever want to catch a fish on that first cast, really, right? Fish devours it. I missed it. Gene's laughing at me. It's gonna be a good day. We're in Fellsmere and we're just gonna take you guys along and see if we can smash some bass, or if nothing else, I'm gonna watch Gene put on a clinic and you guys are gonna see me fail miserably. One way or the other, we're gonna have some fun today. A good one, not a bad one, not a bad one at all. Nice little healthy bass. Boom shakalaka. Decent little dude. Little pink belly. Nice little guy. Back he goes. There are bass in here, can you believe that? Who would have thunk it? Dude tore up the tail on my chatter chicken. I want to find his mom. That's what I'm looking for, is his mom. So even on Fellsmere, you find a way to do the dink drop. This is not what we're looking for. I don't even know where that is. Oh, it's a bowfin. Oh, great. Not the species that we're looking for. Fun, exciting, but now it's time for him to go bye-bye.
Put that fish back. That ain't your fish.
It's a terrible fish.
Are you Chad Hoover?
No.
That guy Jason broke?
I'm 150 pounds lighter than Chad Hoover. He went over to 14 and found a honey hole, and every other cast he was hooking a fish. So and then the third day.
And told everybody.
Well, yeah, well they was no longer on that body of water anymore. So the third day, there was about 20 of them that went out to that hole, and just, I mean, and they were sitting in a damn circle.
Yeah, nice.
And they were taking turns, man. Just one would cast and the other one would cast.
Basically a blow through.
Yeah. But he wore him out. Hey, he won a little bit under 7 grand.
Yeah.
So, and then he did okay the second day. And then Siddiqui and Casey, they were fishing side by side all weekend, and throwing A-rigs in a school.
Where'd they fish at? What lake did they fish?
The 10 only took place on Purvis.
Okay.
They had 2 days on Purvis, all 10 of them, because there was no other lake options.
Purvis was the...
Purvis is the one right behind the main cabin. Yeah. did not find the monster I was looking for today. A bunch of dinks, but nothing worth writing home about. So I guess we'll get back to the truck, get back to the hammocks, and gear up and do it all again in the morning. Look at this sunset that'll take us out. Woo, he took it hard. Hard. I don't think he's gonna beat Eric's, but we're gonna see. Pretty sure he's not. Nope. Nope, only 17 and a half. Not gonna quite beat Eric's 20. But good little fish. Nice little belly on him. Yeah. And let him go. Put up a good fight, bro. Put up a good fight. Not a bad fight. Let's see if we can do it again. Because he took that one, that's for sure. He took that one so hard I thought it was a 10-pounder. He ate it. I mean, just ate it. Another one, all about the same size. Gene, that was fish number 6 in about the last 10 minutes. That's a better fish. Now we're cooking with some gas. That's a better fish. Let's see, old Eric. Let's see what you got. Oh, buddy. Close your mouth. Nope. 20. 19 and a half. Beat me by half. That's a better fish though. That's a good one. He fought pretty hard. Nice little selfie action. There we go. Giving us a shower. Giving us a shower. I mean, that little dude wanted all that. Goodness gracious. Moving current. Let's see if we can find some more. Woo! And he's gone. With a quick release. The quick release. See if we can find another one of his kind out there. Looks like we can. Oh, that's a better one. Come on, come on, come on. Number 2 and 2 casts. Can we go with 3-peat? Let's see. 2 and 2 casts. Can we go 3-peat? Let's see. Oh, he winds up the pitch. And then the stroke. Let's see. Not that one. See if we can get another one here. Still looking for the big one. I've had a bunch of those 2, 3s, and 4s, but hadn't crossed that 5, 6 and up mark. Not today. So I don't know. I don't know. There's one. There's one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, I missed him. I missed him. You gotta be kidding me. Missed him messing with the net. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. That's a big one. That was the big one. That was the big one. Rushing him. Rushing him. Way out there. Man. 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 Let's see if we can find another one of those. Man, that was a good fish. Good fish. Man, that was a good fish. Did not quite have him pinned. What a bummer. What a bummer. So I started yesterday by losing a giant fish. I'm closing today, most likely, by losing a giant fish. Oh my goodness. Man, I had him too. I don't know if that camera caught it or not, but man, I mean, he come up out of the water. I'm an idiot, rushing him, went back for my net. He was way too far away for me to be going to my net. That was stupid. And he slung it. Oh, me. Always learning something out here on the water. Always. Even when you're failing, you're learning something. To be honest with you, when I'm failing on the water is usually when I'm learning the most. So it seems. It's been a good day. I don't know. I'm somewhere around 30, 35 fish. Nothing spectacular. I don't even know. Sun's getting ready to set. So I'm gonna try to get back and see if I can find a few more between here and the truck. But if not, then I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, look here. I'm fixing to introduce you guys. Look here. So this guy right here, Eric Siddiqui, right? Yesterday morning, we put a $20 bet on big fish of the day, and he's like, hey, we're fishing down here about half an hour in, much like this morning. He says, hey, wouldn't it be funny if I caught a fish right in front of you? I was like, ah, ha, ha, ha. We chuckled. He threw, he cast, hooked a 20-inch fish, made me lose yesterday. He just paddles over this morning, right? No joke, says, hey, Scott, wouldn't it be funny if I caught a big fish right in front of you? My life, guys. I can't even, you're killing me, Smalls. That's a good fish. What's the measurement? That looks like a 20 again.
So you're literally like a fish fluffer. I can't believe you even asked that.
It's not Tourney X rules.
19 and a quarter.
19 and a quarter. Guys, the next time Eric says, hey, wouldn't it be funny if I caught a big fish in front of you? I'm gonna cut his line. I'm just letting y'all know. There could be a battle today on the water. Stay tuned. Good fish. Ah! Woo! That's what I'm looking for right there.
No, but I'm saying having.
Oh my God. Woo! Eric!
Okay.
Woo! Pay up, sucker! Woo!
Can you do me a favor and make a KBF page called KBF?
That's a good fish.
.com/W9.
That's the first one that I'm really stoked on. He's probably 6, 20, 22, but that's a good fish. That's what we came all the way down here for. Look at the belly, guys. Look at the belly on that fish right there. Oh my gosh. We're gonna let it get a little good drink of water so we can get a couple pictures. Oh my goodness.
That was easy. They would be doing it. What I was saying is, I want to make a simple link.
That's a good fish. Not quite the double digit we were looking for, but definitely a really pretty, really healthy. Look at the mouth. The mouth on that fish.
Nice. Sweet.
Slide over here, Eric. Get a shot of both of us. Never in my life am I gonna have an opportunity again to hold up a bigger fish than Eric Siddiqui, so I'm gonna take full advantage of this. He hit and the Ric Flair hit me. I was like, woo!
I heard.
Doubled up.
Closer to the camera.
Yeah, right?
Hold on.
Oh.
All right, hold on.
Get closer. All right, guys, we're gonna let this one go. Matter of fact, I'm gonna film this one leaving.
You should dink drop that.
Yeah, right? Holy crap. 3 days, probably 30, 35 miles paddling. My hands, my back, my shoulders. I'm not a spring chicken anymore. But man, I tell you what guys, this place behind me is absolutely bucket list worthy. Fellsmere is the name of this body of water. It's down here, right next door to a place called Stick Marsh. And man, I lost count of how many fish we've caught in the last 3 days. Only really one real good one, about a 6-pounder. You saw it earlier in the video. But it's been a good day. It's been a good couple of days. We've had some locals come and hang out and fish with us. We've had Gene and Christy come out. Eric Siddiqui came down and fished with us, as you guys saw, and it was just an awesome time. We're gonna go get all this stuff rigged up, go find some dinner, and see if we can't. I'm gonna find some Advil actually. I think that's what I'm gonna do, is try to find some Advil. So, but tomorrow's a road day. We got a couple stops to make with a couple companies, a couple sponsors for Gene and myself, and then it's headed home. 2 weeks of not seeing babies and my beautiful wife, so I'm ready. Coming home. See you guys on the road.